this video, I will show you a step-by-step guide to creating the Waypoint mission on your Mini 5 Pro in under 3 minutes. As in all apps, there are several ways to complete it in the operation. I will show you the way that if I do it, then once you have mastered the basics, you can experiment with the other options if you wish. This mission consists of 4 waypoints surrounding the point of interest. The drone will always face the point of interest. Find yourself an open field with no obstructions. I use this field close to where I live for my practice runs. Do your safety checks, take off, and you're ready to start the first waypoint mission. Tap the button on the left of the screen, the waypoint menu appears. Flying the drone to the first waypoint and press button C1 on the back of the controller. You have now recorded your first waypoint. Fly your drone to the next waypoint location and again press C1. Do this twice more for waypoints 3 and 4. Now fly to your chosen point of interest, somewhere in the middle of the field. Tap on POI and then press button C1 again on the back of the controller. This will record your point of interest. Tap on waypoints and the menu will change. Tap camera action and then start record. Now tap heading, then custom and select place POI. And then tap apply to all and click OK. This will force the drone to face the point of interest throughout the entire operation. Tap 4, camera action, and then stop record. Tap the back arrow, then POI, then 1, tap point altitude, then adjust the slider to 0 so that the point of interest is now at ground level. Tap the back arrow again and then next. The global speed is set to 2.5 meters per second. The return to home is set at the end of the flight and lost signal. And the mission is set to start at waypoint 1. Tap the green go button. Your drone will now fly to waypoint 1, rotate towards the point of interest and start recording. It will then fly in a smooth arc at a constant speed to the next waypoint and then on again until the final waypoint and then return to home. The point of interest is here in the middle of the field. The drone passes over and reverses away. I've included a PDF of these instructions plus more details in the description below in order that you can print it off when you practice your first waypoint mission. Practice several runs so that everything comes naturally when you are shooting for real.